Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Downgrading a package like numpy in Python is often necessary when you need to ensure compatibility with other libraries or when you're working with legacy code that requires an older version of the library. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downgrading numpy using pip, which is the most common package manager for Python. What is numpy? Numpy is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a variety of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. Why downgrade numpy? 1. Compatibility. Some libraries might not be compatible with the latest version of numpy. 2. Legacy code. Older projects may require specific versions of libraries. 3. Bug fixes or performance. Sometimes, newer versions may introduce bugs or performance issues that affect your specific use case. Step-by-step guide to downgrade numpy. Step 1. Check your current numpy version. Before downgrading, it's a good idea to check the version of numpy you currently have installed. You can do this by running. Step 2. Uninstall the current version, optional. While pip can handle downgrades automatically, you might want to uninstall the existing version first to avoid any potential conflicts. Step 3. Downgrade numpy. To downgrade numpy, you can specify the version you want to install. Use the following command in your terminal or command prompt. For example, if you want to downgrade to version 1.19.5, you would run. Step 4. Verify the installation. After downgrading, verify that the correct version has been installed by running the following code again. Example. Here's a complete example from checking the version to downgrading. Important notes. Make sure to replace desired _version with the specific version number you need. If you are using a virtual environment, recommended, ensure that it is activated before running these commands. If you are using Anaconda, you can use conda install numpy equals 1.19.5 to manage packages instead. Conclusion. Downgrading a package like numpy is a straightforward process using pip. It's essential to ensure compatibility with your projects and dependencies, especially when working in diverse environments. Always remember to verify the version after installation to confirm that the downgrade was successful.